आप सभी को नमस्कार। एक बार फिर से स्वागत है इस ऑनलाइन क्लास में। क्लास 11th मैथमेटिक्स चैप्टर 2 रिलेशंस एंड फंक्शंस पार्ट 1। नाउ द कोटेशन given in the starting of the chapter, mathematics is the indispensable instrument of all physical research. That is worth a lot. Mathematics is the indispensable instrument of all physical research. एनसीईआरटी की टेक्स्ट बुक में हर चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में एक न एक कोई स्टेटमेंट, कोई कोटेशन दिया रहता है जो डीप मीनिंग वाला होता है। तो अब रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं आप कि हम आपसे कि आप उसको देखिए और समझिए। नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन। In our daily life, we come across many patterns that characterize relations such as brother and sister, father and son, teacher and student. In mathematics also we come across many relations such as number m is less than number n, line L is parallel to line m, set A is subset of set B. In all these we notice that a relation involves pair of objects in certain order. So in this chapter we will learn how to link pairs of objects from two sets and then introduce relations between the two objects in the pair. Finally, we will learn about special relations which will qualify to be functions. The concept of function is very important in mathematics since it captures the idea of a mathematical precise correspondence between one quantity with the other. Ordered pair. So what is the ordered pair? First term related to the relation. Then ordered pair of elements taken from any two sets P and Q is a pair of elements written in small brackets and grouped together in a particular order. That is the ordered pair PQ. ये small brackets में P और Q दो real numbers लिखे गए हैं जिसको हम ordered pair कहते हैं, where first element P belongs to capital P, that is the set, small q belongs to capital Q, that is another set. So every point, here it is pin, O is missing here, every point in Cartesian plane is an ordered pair. Now the equality of two ordered pair, when two ordered pair will be equal. So suppose there are two ordered pair x, y and ab. If they are equal, then their corresponding elements will be equal. Means first element is and second element. X is equal to A and Y is equal to B. Corresponding elements are equal. Now with the help of the ordered pair, we will define the Cartesian products of the sets. So given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of the element from P and Q. That is, P cross Q is equal to collection of all ordered pair PQ, where P belongs to P and Q belongs to Q. If either P or Q is the null set, then P cross Q will also be empty set. That is, P cross Q is phi. Some remarks are there. Two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first element are equal and the second element are also equal. ये already हमने explain किया है. If there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then there will be PQ elements in A cross B. That is, if NA is equal to P and NB is equal to Q, then NA cross B is equal to P into Q. If A and B are non-empty sets and either A or B is an infinite set, then so is A cross B. So that is A cross A cross A. This is the form of ordered pair triplet ABC. This is called ordered triplet. Three numbers arranged in the specific order, where A, B, C all belongs to A. Here A, B, C is called an ordered triplet. Now example 1. If x plus 1 is equal x plus 1 y minus 2 is one ordered pair and it is equated to the another ordered pair 3 1, then we have to find the values of x and y. So their corresponding element will be same. So comparing them, so x plus 1 is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 2, y minus 2 is equal to 1, so y is equal to 3. So we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Example 2. If P is equal to A, B, C and Q is equal to R, these are the two sets. Form the set P cross Q and Q cross P. Are these two products equal? तो यहाँ हमको दोनों ही कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करना है, P cross Q और Q cross P. So by the definition of the Cartesian product, P cross Q will be the ordered pair from P to Q. So that is AR, BR, CR, and Q cross P will be the set of all ordered pair where first element is taken from Q and second element from P. So that is RA, RB and RC. Since by the definition of equality of ordered pairs, the pair AR is not equal to the pair RA. Two ordered pair will be only if and if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. Here AR and RA are both different ordered pairs. So we conclude that P cross Q not equal to Q cross P. However, the number of element in each set will be the same. Number of element दोनों में same होंगे. Now here example 3, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4 and C is equal to 4, 5, 6. Find A cross B intersection C. अब इतनी वैल्यू 4 पॉइंट्स हैं, यहाँ 4 पार्ट हैं. So by definition of the intersection of two sets B intersection C, आप देख सकते हो B is 3, 4 and C is 4, 5, 6. So B intersection C is 4. अब A cross B intersection C, Cartesian product of A with B intersection C, that will be 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. A cross B भी हमने फाइंड किया, A से B में कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट A cross C भी फाइंड किया. नाउ A cross B इंटरसेक्शन A cross C, तो दैट इज़ 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. अब इन दोनों में कॉमन क्या है A cross B और A cross C में, तो आप देख सकते हो दैट इज़ 1, 4, 2, 4 एंड 3, 4. तो ये 1 और 2 दोनों इक्वल हैं, इनको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं. अब यहाँ B यूनियन C हमको निकालना है, तो B यूनियन C इज़ 3, 4, 5, 6. अब दोनों में कॉमन सिर्फ 4 है, बट यूनियन 3, 4, 5, 6 हो जाएगा. नाउ A क्रॉस B यूनियन C, तो इस तरह से A से हमने B यूनियन C में सभी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर के फॉर्म में लिस्ट कर दिए. अब फोर्थ है हमको फाइंड करना जो भी उसमें यूजिंग द सेट्स A क्रॉस B एंड A क्रॉस C फ्रॉम पार्ट 2 में हमने इनको फाइंड किया है. अब वी ऑप्टेन A क्रॉस B यूनियन A क्रॉस C. अब इन दोनों का यूनियन जो हमने पार्ट 2 में ऑलरेडी फाइंड किया, वहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन फाइंड किया, यहाँ हम इनका यूनियन फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो ये 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 ये सभी आ रहा है. तो ये भी आप देख सकते हो कि थर्ड और फोर्थ भी इक्वल है, तो ये भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव रूल है. ओके, अब एग्जांपल 4, इफ P इज इक्वल टू 1, 2, फॉर्म द सेट P क्रॉस P, मतलब यहाँ ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट फाइंड करना. वी हैव P क्रॉस P दैट इज 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. अब इसमें हमको फाइंड कैसे करना है, हमने डायरेक्टली लिस्ट किया है, बट आप P क्रॉस P पहले फाइंड कर लीजिए 1, 2 का, तो ये 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 होगा. अब उसके बाद जो भी आता हो उसका फिर से आप ऑर्डर्ड पेयर की ही तरह कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, मतलब पहले P क्रॉस P, देन कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ P क्रॉस P विथ P, दैट विल बी P क्रॉस P. तो उस तरह से भी ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट आप निकाल सकते. पहले ऑर्डर पेयर निकालिए, फिर ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट. If R is the set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian product R cross R and R cross R cross R represent? So R cross R will be the ordered pair xy where xy belongs to R. This means this Cartesian product R cross R represent all points in a plane, which represent the coordinates of all the points in two-dimensional space, and the Cartesian product R cross R represents the set XYZ where XYZ belongs to R. That is XYZ is the ordered triplet, means 3 dimension में हम उसको represent कर सकते हैं, which represent the coordinates of all the points in 3-dimensional space. अब example 6, if A cross B is equal to PQ, PR, MQ, MR, find A and B. So in ordered pair, first element is taken from first set and second element is taken from second set if we find the Cartesian product. So A will be equal to P and M and B will be equal to Q and R. So here we get the A and B by comparing, taking first element in A and second element in B. So this is exercise 2.1 related to only the ordered pair and the Cartesian product. So you have to solve them. In the next video we will discuss their solution with you. So thank you very much.